Most people pick one AI tool, learn how to use it, and then stick with it forever. Chatgpt, Claude, Gemini, whatever they started with, that's what they use for everything. And I get it. Learning one tool takes effort. Why would you bother with 4? Here's why. Each one of these tools has a different brain. Different training data, different strengths, different blind spots. When you use just one, you're getting one perspective. Sometimes that's fine. But for anything that actually matters, a business decision, a piece of content that represents you, an analysis you're going to act on, you want more than one opinion. I'm going to walk you through exactly how I use 4 different LLMs together on a single task. Not in theory. With a real example. Here's what happens when you rely on one AI tool. You ask it a question, it gives you an answer, and you trust it, because what else are you going to do? You don't know what you don't know. But AI tools make things up. They have biases baked into their training. They're better at some tasks than others. And here's the thing, they don't tell you when they're out of their depth. They just sound confident and give you something that looks right. I've seen people make real business decisions based on AI output that was completely wrong. Not because the AI is bad, but because they didn't have a second opinion to catch the problem. Using just one LLM is like having one employee and never getting a second opinion on their work. It works until it doesn't. The fix is simple, and it doesn't cost you anything extra because all 4 of these tools have free tiers. The idea is this: for any task that matters, you run it through at least 2 LLMs. You compare the outputs. You notice where they agree, that's your signal that the answer is probably solid. You notice where they disagree, that's where you dig in and figure out who's right. Over time you start to understand what each tool is actually good at. And you stop treating AI like a black box that either works or doesn't.